Yo, what's good, fam? I'm back with a second video. Second video of the day, man. I just got finished up with the Luca series season rebuild. Y'all gotta watch that, man. Especially the, especially the ending, man. Y'all gonna see something crazy. Just a huge turn of events. This season rebuild, I will be focusing on the Sixers, and this is gonna be the Sixers without Brett Brown. Obviously, they just fired him. They didn't think it was working for whatever reason, so we gonna take him off as the head coach. And I'm actually pick the coach. Obviously I ain't gonna have a bunch of choices, but let's see what we have. We gonna do a 3 season rebuild with the Sixers without Brett Brown. See if we can get them some rings over here in these 3 seasons. Y'all already know what the aim is. It's 3 for 3, if not that 2 out of 3, if not one. But I mean, we need something. Let's get that 2020 draft class. Alrighty. So take off the chemistry and injuries. Alrighty. So yeah, let me make those coaching changes really quick. Alrighty. So I really kind of wanted a real coach, so I'm not gonna pick one of these automated if I can avoid it. Might even get an assistant coach if I have to. I don't really want that. I don't even think I got a choice though. I don't think I have a choice until the off season. Hold on, man. Like, is Sean Marks not in here, or did they not make that update? I don't see anybody, man. All right, so we get Matt Stafford. Actually, we're gonna get Jacob Underwood with the grit and grind system. Um, this season I'm actually not gonna make no trades. I'm gonna leave them as they are. I'm just gonna adjust the minutes accordingly. They got Ben Simmons hurt on here, I guess. Yeah, nah, no minutes. Oh, Neto put Shake back up there. All right, so yeah, y'all already know Ben and MB gonna be getting most of the minutes, and Tobias Harris, of course. I said I wasn't gonna make no changes, but yeah, I actually may. I don't know if we would be able to trade Horford. Yeah, if we can make. All right, so let me look at these rotations real quick. We're gonna put Kyle O'Quinn in. We're gonna actually keep Horford. I don't want out to force no trade, but I'm definitely looking forward to getting rid of him in the off season. We gonna ride with them though. Make Shake Milton a point guard. All right, we gotta go. Let's get this season simulated, man. See what we looking like at the end. Make sure they didn't mess up none of my rotations. All right, so we good. Alrighty. Alrighty, man, and we wound it down. 41 wins so far, only 23 losses. You know, we made that coaching change at the start of the season. No more Brett Brown. It's a new era in Philadelphia. I got Jacob Underwood, a 2K coach. In off season, I'm gonna add a real coach though because I do want to make it as real as possible. But obviously, we had to get Underwood. No more Brett Brown. The grit and grind system looks like it's working good. Brett Brown was more so defensive focused. He'll be a good coach for like a team built like Toronto. Good defensive teams. Toronto. Trying to think like what's really some good. The Lakers pretty good defensively when they want to be. But I don't think Brett Brown would be good for no teams like that. Really like a model of Toronto. I'm gonna just say that. I know I'm missing some teams, but I mean, this is my second video. Cut me some slack. Cut me some slack, man. All right, so it looked like we finished real strong this year. 50. Can we get 52? Let's go, baby. 52 wins for the year, 30 losses. Luka with the MVP, really, man. Really. Ja Morant, Rookie of the Year. Schroeder, 6 man. This pretty. I mean, that's the thing. That's usually what you're going to see with those awards. Ben Simmons, defense team. Let's see if we got anybody on. Yup. So Embiid made all NBA second. Only one who made all NBA. We ain't too worried about that though. Embiid with 25 points, 12 boards, 2 blocks. Great season. Ben Simmons 28, 7 assists, 64 field goal percentage. Tobias with 19 points, 6 boards, 3 assists. Yeah, Al Horford doing his thing. He didn't do too much out there. Alex Burks did his thing. Matisse Thybulle, about this average stats he averaged in real life. I mean, he almost like a version of Jimmy Butler where the stats may not be crazy, but you want this type of dude on your team. They do what you need to win. We're playing against Orlando first series. Let's see. Sweep. Get the brooms, man. Okay, they got one. They ain't going. They got one. We got 3 though. We got 3 to Orlando. You know what time it is. So we end up getting out of there 4-2. We facing the Hawks next round. Come on, man. Let's get the brooms out. Sweep the Hawks in the semifinals, East semifinals, and we got Milwaukee, man. Let me see how this go, man. We gotta make some changes, see? Yeah, we gotta make some changes here. Cork Miles, we gonna bring him in. Take out Kyle O'Quinn. Alrighty. Let's get something, man. The Bucks end up beating us 4-1. We lost that series. The Lakers end up finishing though 4-0, swept them. Get up out of here. I better hope y'all don't see us next year, man. I'm mad, man. I want revenge for that. I ain't feeling it, man. All right, so let's go to staff signing. We're gonna fire Jacob Underwood. Whichever coach I pick is gonna be the coach for these next 2 seasons. Obviously, don't got too many options now. Quinn Snyder, you got David Fishdale. I'm riding with Scott Brooks. Let's see if we can get Scott Brooks. Hold on, I don't even know. Offer him a little bit more so he can sign. Alright, so we got Scott Brooks. Alright, I'll let the computers simulate the rest of that as far as staff. Let's go to the draft. I don't think we got a high pick. They got a few picks over here though, I think. Let me see. Bunch of second round picks, man. Alright, so let me see if I can get a trade. Horford getting up out of here. Yeah, I'll take this. Oh yeah, Pistons back. Y'all don't want D Rose? We gonna take D Rose, man. Y'all playing like D Rose ain't hooping like that. Alright, so now that we got D Rose, gonna get Zaire Smith traded. He actually was. I thought he was gonna actually play for the Sixers. He didn't get too much time. No good trades. I'm just gonna stick with my picks. See if we can get anybody in these late rounds. Sadiq Bey, 3-point specialist. That's a gimme. You from Villanova? From where Eric Pashaw from? I can't believe he slid down that far neither, but it was meant to be. It was meant to be 2K. Dang, man, look at all these players in this draft still. They not big names. Let's get Kerry Jr., man. And I'm going to pick him right here. Devin Vassell. I'm saying his name right. I actually was going to pick him in the last video, but he ended up getting snatched up. So we added some shooters. Added a big man. We'll bring Cork Miles back. Yeah, I sent them a contract if they want it. We ain't tripping if they don't, though. Actually, we ain't even gonna be able to sign them, so. Guess who we bringing though over here? Nah, I got him last video. But I think he'll fit here though. Yeah, let me throw that contract to Duncan. He's losing Burke. That's all good, man. All right, so we added Duncan Robinson in free agency. That's all we did as far as free agency. Not too many changes. We added a few rookies that I do think will serve us if we need them. Obviously, all of them ain't gonna play, but good rookies in that second round. I'm surprised I was able to. $7:25 Eastern time over here. Alrighty, so yeah, let's get this draft class. Get this season started, man. We coming back. Ain't gonna be no crime memes. Yeah, I'm gonna get Ben Simmons even faster, man. And we know this is what Joel Embiid needs. Just stay in shape, man. That's the only thing that's holding him back. Stay in shape, man. Too good to just be average like that. He not even average, not even trying. So imagine if he actually really, really tried, man. Alrighty, so we added Derrick Rose. We was able to trade for him for Al Horford. And we end up adding some rookies. D Rose gonna play the 2 over here though, so I'm gonna put Tobias Harris back at the 4. Let me look at this 3-point shooting real quick. You got any badges I like? Let's see about Sadiq Bey. I know he can shoot the ball good too. He shoot a little better. So it's really gonna come down to who got better defense, perimeter defense. All right, so yeah, he gonna get the minutes. Take those minutes down. 9-man rotation. Give Derrick Rose 30. 22 minutes for Matisse. 28 for, yeah. Actually, yeah, he gonna start. It's only right. At the 3. Alright, so let me just change these positions real quick. And we'll get started on this season. Alright, and we reaching that end of season mark. This is the second season right here. First season we end up not being able to finish in the Eastern Finals, man. We got swept by the Bucks. We coming back this year. We started out rough, man. We was like 4-10 at a point in time. I'm thinking, I hope it's not one of those seasons, but they picked it up, started winning more. We actually finishing a little shaky here, but if we can get a squeeze out a few wins, build a little confidence heading into the playoffs, man, we got a good run. We got a good run, man. Joel Embiid, hope you in shape, man. Hope you are in shape, dude. If you ain't getting injured, you ain't in shape, Joel Embiid. What's up, bro? You a superstar, man. Whole superstar here, man. You gotta get at least 1 or 2, man. Luka just came in the league and just shook everything up. Wow. I don't know who this is. Zeke Nnaji, Rookie of the Year. Giannis MVP. Schroeder 6, man. Markelle Fultz, Kawhi. NBA first team, Joel Embiid. Okay. Maybe that conditioning worked out, though. He averaged stats went up, man. In every category, too. What I told y'all, man. Y'all got to give me a little bit of credit for that, man. I just was saying that. Just get in shape and you're a superstar. Everybody's saying that, but you've seen it full force here. You just saw the results on the game. So, I mean, real life is even worse. Let's check out the stats real quick. Ben Simmons went up, almost averaging 23. Look at these stats, man. He should have got MIP or something. They don't never want to get this man MVP. It's crazy. He do the same thing as Luka, man. He just don't score as good. But I don't know how he never get considered for MVP. It's really crazy. Tobias dropped a little bit. 28 years old. That's because we got Rose, though. Duncan Robinson hard to please, man. I have yet to find a team where he pleased with his role. You know what happens. We gonna start him instead. Since you so hard to please. We ain't finna play them games, man. Just put him in the starting lineup. Yeah, I'm cutting down D Rose in minutes too. Get Josh Richardson. Hold on, man. Yeah, I need a center to play. Yeah, so we gonna put Vernon Carey in Matisse spot. All right, and there we go. We running with a 9-man rotation for the playoffs. Switch a little bit around. First round we got Atlanta. Broomsticks, man. They actually ranked higher than us, so I mean, they had a better season. Broomstick though. Y'all already know what I told you. We was coming back for y'all, Milwaukee. Y'all did the same thing we did though. All right, so they 4-0 the Pacers, and this is who we running with, man. Let's see if we can squeeze it out this time. Gosh, man. They really just got our number. Oh, let's go. 3-3, baby. Let's go, man. Hold on. I got to take a second to take a deep breath because y'all already know how 2K be playing me, man. I'm going to just put it like this. We got the Celtics next round, but if we beat Milwaukee, man, if we beat Milwaukee, and you know I'm simulating with a Samcast. Y'all already know. It's going to be Parade City in Philadelphia if we beat them. Just put it like that. You're going to see buses, fans, confetti, microphones, speeches. Joel Embiid in shape. Ben Simmons healthy. You know, not injured. I had to do it, man. Them dudes be killing the whole vibe, man, when they had good seasons and end up going down at the last minute. Joel Embiid stayed healthy, though, so, but he was out of shape, so. Come on, man. Come on, Sixers. I know y'all got it in y'all. Let's go. Oh, it's close, man. If we can just pull off really quick. Come on, Sixers, man. Y'all got to get this. This give me a lot of momentum, man. Come on, Sixers. Come on, Sixers. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh, man. 3 freaking points. Let me go look at these stats. Like, Greek Freak is not doing this, man. I'm sorry. 16 shots, bro. This man got 15 free throws to make 10 of them. It's crazy. So y'all was just fouling the whole. Look at it. Like, what more can you do? Dang, Joel Embiid, you shot 36 shots to get 46, man. Dang. You can't be for real 2K, man. Y'all done did it again, man. I really want to be yelling right now, but it's kind of early, so. God, y'all bringing emotion out of me, 2K, with this crazy stuff. And the Bucks win. Not only did they beat us in our revenge, yeah, they actually got a championship. Crazy, man. Crazy times. Like I said, we stick with Scott Brooks. Obviously, we don't know who they're going to sign in real life. I'm quite sure it won't be Scott Brooks. It's going to be somebody, though. 22nd pick. Yeah, we got to trade him in at 22nd. I'll take Plumlee, man. Yeah, I can take that. That's 22nd pick. I'm probably gonna regret that, but yeah, we good on all that. I don't really want no rookies right now. All right, peace out, Josh Richardson. You made that a little easier for us anyway. Free agency talks. Let's see if we can add one. Who we got on the team? I'm gonna have to make a trade regardless. Alright, I'm gonna get rid of Zaire Smith. We get a little cap room. We won't be able to use those picks, but we got some cap room here. Alrighty, let me see who I want to add to the team. Got a few centers here. Let's see how much money we have. Let me just at least see how much. Yeah, we didn't really add much money there. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I got 10 players. Alright, so yeah, let me see. Dang, Rudy Gay 34. Dang, man. That boy getting old, man. I've been using Rudy Gay since 2K11 days. It's crazy, man. Hey, those people who know about those old days, the 2K, man, crew, all that, y'all know what Rudy Gay. This man had the best shot in 2K11 easily. Most 2Ks, most people use his shots. I don't really like the newer version shots, but that 2K11 Rudy Gay shot was something special. My favorite was Jamal Crawford though. Unrestricted. Yeah, hold on. Alright, so I don't really got too many people I want or we can even get in free agency. We gonna let him go though. We'll keep Derrick Rose on the cap hold. May bring D Rose back. D Rose. Dang, bruh. I can't bring you back, man. You trying to get paid, bruh. Unless I don't know if that's a qualifying offer right there. Gonna keep room for you. Yeah, you bringing Pat Connaughton. Bring back Mike Scott. Alright, so I'm gonna see if D Rose take that. If not, it's all good. I understand you trying to get paid, putting up them numbers, man. Alright, I feel like this the season. Obviously, we 0 for 2 right now. So see if we can at least get 1 for 3. You know, I've been getting wins. All of them been close, though. I mean, everything been close so far. So, just a matter of getting used to that coach, maybe. Getting tired of the Bucks, man. The Sixers kryptonite, man. We can't get past them. All right, so see how many training camps we got. We sending him back to conditioning. You got to do that. We're going to give Simmons a little bit better defense too, man. We're going to need that playoff defense. Alrighty, man. So, yeah, I forgot D Rose didn't take that contract. So, yeah, we had to get one more. Let me just adjust these rotations real quick. Yeah, nah. Ben Simmons all day at the point. You know what? We'll do something weird. I'm going to put Pat Connaughton in. I'm going to move Tobias Harris down to the 4 again. We don't have a lot of big names, as y'all can see. We got a lot of rookies coming up, man. I didn't sign too many. I didn't have enough cap space to sign too many people. Nor did I want to do too much. I think we got a good team now. All right, so. Yeah, we'll keep Sadiq Bey. $25. All right, so we got a 10-man rotation this season. Man, Bucks, we ain't gonna keep playing with y'all, man. Just put it like that. Sadiq Bey moving to the 2. Alrighty, let's get this sound. Bucks, y'all better hope y'all get knocked out, man, because we are not playing with y'all this year. Hopefully, we ain't playing ourselves and we don't even make the playoffs. But I got good hope for my Sixers, man. Alrighty, so it's about approaching All-Star Weekend. Yeah, we not doing too good. Let's see if we can make a few trades. Embiid, nah, I'm playing. We ain't gonna trade Embiid. Just Milton and Diablo. See if we can get somebody with these two, man. Get Tim Hardaway Jr. Wow, they signed him for a minimum contract. Sharif Cooper, a baller, but yeah, we don't want rookies right now. Yeah, nah, we good. We ain't giving up Diablo for nothing like that. So, only the person I could think of trading is Tobias Harris, man. Oh, nah, we good. Yeah, I'm not. Man, we don't really have nobody to trade. Let's throw in two unprotected. Shake Milton. Oh, we can't add no one. Alright, so we threw two first round picks and Shake Milton. Let's see if we can get somebody. Khalifa Diop. 7 foot. I think his family member used to play for the Mavericks. Desandre Diop, he used to play back in the days, man. Like in the 2000s. I'm talking back in the days. I'm only 23. For the Gen Z, the 2000 though, pretty solid right here. Kevin Porter Jr. Harry Giles. I really need somebody who can bring something different though. I got defensive players. I think that's what we looking for right here. Perfect. I'm taking this trade right here. Eric Pasha played for Villanova, so he already. We're gonna put Connaughton at the 2 now. Pasha at the 4th, I believe. Get back in here. Get them both 28 apiece. Rudy Gay 6, man. Dang, it's tough. Who do I wanna? Yeah, I'm gonna have to take Diablo out. He can't really give us scoring, man. I don't know why 2K. I know he don't score in real life, but dang, man. Homie always mad. Him and Duncan Robinson got something in common, man. You can't satisfy him. Alright, so I'm going to make Damon Lee my point guard for that second unit. That's who we going to rock out with after that. Finish up this season, man. Let's get that ring. Let's get that ring, Ben Simmons and Joel Embiid. And Scott Brooks, the new coach. New era, man. New era in Philadelphia right now. We ain't playing no games. Let me make sure I check. Well, it's winding down to the season end. We ain't doing too well. 36, 33. We still over 500, but I mean, we don't have a record that'll blow you out your seats. We doing the back. Kind of doing how a team look, man. It's kind of sad to say that because I made the changes, but it's starting to look like these boys. I don't know. I still got hope, though. We making the playoffs. A little rough for them. This happens a lot, man. It seems like we always have tough seasons. Get to the end, we start winning. Let's keep it going, man. All right, so can we get 44 wins at least? Nope. 43 and 39. That's our season record. Luka with the MVP. Cade Cunningham, Rookie of the Year. Cousins 6 man. AD and LaMelo. Oh, dang, that's crazy. He on the Pelicans too. They gonna team up, man. The Ball brothers gonna play together in the NBA. I know it's gonna happen. Detroit gonna bring them in. Alrighty, so Embiid first team All NBA. Alright. I don't really want to look. Let's just look at the season stats. 22 and 6 and 7. Same stats for Joel Embiid. Tobias Harris went up a little bit. Eric Pascal ain't doing what he's supposed to be doing. We playing Toronto first round. Let me look at this. Thabile back in there. Whole bench squad got 20. Connaughton, dang, bro, what's up? Yeah, Pat Connaughton. I'm actually just gonna take him out of the rotation for the playoffs. Put Thabile in with more minutes. Alright, and there we go. 9-man rotation. Toronto first round. Oh, down to the wire, man. Down to the wire. The Simcast, man. It's 3-3. Come on, man. 6. Just pull this off. Pull this off, man. I know y'all lost to Toronto. Kawhi hit the dagger game winner, but Y'all gotta let go of that PTSD, man. It's new seasons, man. It's new beginnings. Let's go, Sixers. We won the first half, but it's all about this second half. Man, we pulling away slowly and surely. Let's keep this run going. Yeah, I think we got it. Yeah, it's looking promising. Yeah. So we end up beating the Raptors first round. This was tough. They was the second seed. We showed up, man. They had us down 3-1. You know the chances of winning the 3-1 series. We came all the way back. Let's look at these stats real quick. 33-13. Alrighty. Rudy Gay stepping up for us, man, too. I didn't think he was gonna be this productive, but he doing his thing. Let's go. 3-3 again, man. This is an intense last season here, bro. This is intense, man. And I had to stop for a second because, listen, man, this means everything right here. This is when the dramatic music starts playing. You know, you start sweating a little bit, man. This game 7. Whoever wins this go to the Eastern Conference Finals, man. We trying to go there. Come on, Sixers, man. I know y'all got it in y'all. Y'all did it with the Raptors, so. Y'all know I rock with the Heat in real life, but yeah, come on, Sixers, man. I need y'all to come through. Come on, Sixers, man. Don't play with me right now, man. Y'all can't be. Y'all gotta close this lead, man. Y'all gotta close this gap. Y'all really finna just go out like that, man? That's the way y'all going out? Y'all just gonna lay down and let the Heat do what they want? On their home floor? Yeah, man. Look like we can't keep up. The Heat got it. The Heat got it again, man. We lose in the second round. Semifinals. Simulate, see who end up pulling off. I'm mad because, I know we could have beat Washington. We should have been in the finals, but the Heat took it. Look at this cheese, bro. The Grizzlies get it. All right, so there you got it. Ja Morant ended up finishing with the MVP. Come on, 2K. Y'all are tripping. That's not happening. They end up finishing, though. I am kind of mad that we lost that. That's cheese, bro. How do you lose? Like, come on, bro. Look at these stats from these boys. Hey, Sixers, man, y'all can't. I don't know if y'all can blame Brett Brown anymore, bro. Because Brett Brown ain't on this simulation. We got stumped. But, hey, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Shout out to the one viewer I have in here, man. We doing numbers. Shout out to you for real. And we'll be back with more videos, man.